Dibs' family's in town and we are at the Bisiey Game Reserve. So we're going to take a walk around and have a look and see if we can come into contact with some wild animals. Hopefully the giraffe, maybe some zebra, nothing dangerous in the park. So we'll just take it easy and see what happens. So here we are with the family in the background doing their thing. Okay, so we have found some giraffe. Well, totally exhausted. Had a beautiful 6-kilometer walk. Saw some giraffe, some impala, lots of birds. But all in all, a great day out. And we still have everybody walking up the road, trying to make it up. The old farts who, there they are over there.